Then she goes into the second.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas, western Fannin County in north central Texas until 11:30 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over there, or 13 miles northeast of McKinney, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, wave not indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Bonham, Van Alstyne, Howell, Whitewright, Bells, Tombine, Savoy, Hector, Mena, Trenton, and Marilla. Laser protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways